Hey there, and welcome to Real Investment News. I'm Mike O'Neill. The closing bell has sounded, and the markets were all a little bit higher today. The Dow was up 55 points, the Nasdaq was up 4.4, and the S&P gained 5 points. Not a lot of change, really. Oil prices actually did climb today, but after it took a big dip. Now, this dip that you see here, this came after it was reported that the Vital 40s pipeline that carries about 40% of the benchmark Brent crude was about to reopen after it was shut down by a hairline crack in the pipeline about 10 days ago. After the drop, the investors came in, pushed it back up to 57.46, but it was still slightly higher than where it closed yesterday. Now, here is a story that we've been tracking for a while, and certainly one that I've been very interested in. An analyst with the Wall Street firm Cowen has reduced the price target and profit forecast for video game giant Electronic Arts. Now, this is because of the outrage in the gaming community over the new Star Wars game, Battlefront 2. Gamers did not like the loot box system that encourages them to pay more money to get upgrades like better weapons or access to beloved characters like Luke Skywalker or Darth Vader. Now, EA made changes and temporarily suspended the system a day before its release, but the damage was done and sales have been much lower than expected. Cowen set a price target of $104 for a share of EA, which is actually lower than where it closed. As you can see, it closed for $107 today. Now, the stock is actually up year to year, but it has dropped 8% since the end of September. And here is the strangest Bitcoin-related story we have heard in a while. The beverage maker Long Island Iced Tea Corporation has renamed itself to Long Blockchain Corporation. Now, see, if you remember, a blockchain is the decentralized way of tracking transactions, which is the basis for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, this company is still going to be making its non-alcoholic drinks, but it also says it wants to partner with or invest in companies that work with the blockchain technology. But other than reserving the name longblockchain.com, there are really no other deals on the table. Still, it was enough to send shares of this company soaring. Take a look at the jump there. This is obviously over the past 3 months. Take it out to 3 days. Yesterday, it closed closer to about $250, and it jumped more than 200%. Today, it's actually up 183% is where it closed. Analysts are actually comparing this to the dot-com craze of the 90s, and we'll see how long any of this lasts. Hey, that's it for now. Please remember to follow us on Facebook and Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube page. Thank you so very much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow morning.